guys, I'm going to be doing cups today. There's a thing on Facebook where they're doing this thing called anti-cups, and they're taking the basic idea of the cup video, except they're totally messing it up. They're not doing the words, they're not doing the pattern, they're just totally messing with the cup. And I find that kind of stupid, but I'm just about to contradict myself because I do not know the pattern. I've tried to learn it, but I just do not have the mental capability to do that. So, without further ado, I'm going to give you guys cups. Okay, here we go. And I have standby cups for when I screw up. They'll go flying off the table. Okay. Here we go. I got my ticket a long way around. 2 bottles of whiskey for the way. I sure like some sweet company about. Come on, what do you say? When I'm gone, I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me on my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I got my ticket a long way around. One with the prettiest of views. It's got mountains and rivers. It's got sights to be shown. So sure would be prettier with you when I'm gone. When I'm gone. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk. You're gonna miss me by my talk. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. There it was, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Sucked. Okay.